Nobody on the internet owes you a job. Nobody on the internet owes you a gig. Any advertising, marketing agency, content agency, company, individual you want to work with, you first go to their LinkedIn company page. You try to find the right POC on the LinkedIn company page if it's a company. Who hires talent is the people you reach out to. Don't knock the wrong door unless you're looking for a referral. Send them a personalized invite. How should your personalized invite be? It should first start with just one line about you. After that, talk about your basic qualification. What year, pass out, or what are you pursuing currently? That's it. One line. The entire invite has to be about them now. Stalk their profile. Check everything about them that you can on their LinkedIn profile. Find something common between the two of you to break the ice if there is something common. But go through their profile and find something you genuinely appreciate in their profile. If your first message says, I'm looking for a job, give me a job, I'm looking for a freelance project, you never get a job or a freelance project that way. You don't ask for something you deserve.